Shaft wall construction refers to walls surrounding vertical openings like elevator shafts or stairwells. These walls are designed to resist the spread of fire and smoke. They are typically made of concrete block, or gypsum board. When electrical boxes are installed within fire-rated walls, they must be protected to maintain the fire resistance of the wall. There are several methods that can be used. Firstly, fire-rated putty pads. These pads are made of intumescent material that expands under heat. This expansion seals the opening around the electrical box and prevents the spread of fire and smoke. Secondly, fire-rated caulking. Fire-rated caulking can be used to seal the gaps around the box and between the box and the wall. Thirdly, fire-rated boxes. Electrical boxes with pre-installed fire-resistant materials or coatings are available. The architect or engineer responsible for the fire rating should specify the required fireproofing measures for electrical boxes. This information should be included in the project specifications or drawings. You can find more information on fire-rated putty pads and other fireproofing materials at resources such as the National Fire Protection Association, Underwriters Laboratories, Intertech Group, and the International Code Council. Ensure that the fireproofing method used is compatible with the type of wall and electrical box. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for installing the fireproofing materials. It's also important to have the fireproofing work inspected by a qualified inspector to ensure compliance with the project specifications and building codes. Remember that maintaining the fire rating of shaft walls is critical for safety. It is important to select and install appropriate fireproofing materials for electrical boxes within those walls. Always refer to project specifications, manufacturer instructions, and local building codes for guidance.